Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, all we're doing is we're just cruising around my grandma's neighborhood. We're just riding along the paths and the trails that are here.
I bet you won't eat this.
The heck I won't.
What is wrong with Ew.
I'm gonna give birth to like baby dandelions.
Look at this dandelion, it's so fluffy.
Alright, we're gonna do a cool video right now, okay? Like a cool clip, like a cinematic one, like I'm trying to do. Okay, so ready? As I go to hand this to you, make sure you close your eyes and open wide and blow, okay?
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
You.
Why are you in your PJs?
I can't believe you ate that. That was ratchet.
Dandelions. Oh my. What do you do when you see a whole field of dandelions? Run up to them and lay down. Yay! Stupid. Who doesn't want to lay in a field of dandelions? Who doesn't want to lay in a field of dandelions? I mean, I wish it was like one of those huge ones that you see in the movies, like all those giant ones, where there's just like all dandelions, like no space between grass. But this is all we're left with because we're in New Jersey and not like Australia, or whatever it is. All right, guys, we're gonna head over to either Quick Check or wherever we end up going. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Let's go. Stop out here for a second. Nature is lurking. You have to be a predator and not the prey. Right here in the jungle, in the wild. Come on, follow me. I really hope there's no poison hiding. Animals are lurking. I am predator. Oh my god. Oh, alright guys, so we just made it to Quick Check. I got some gummy bears, my favorite, and she just got Check Mix. Weirdo. Just kidding. Alright guys, got gummy bears from Quick Check. And now we're gonna be heading home back to my grandma's house. And then we're probably gonna get picked up from there to go home or wherever we go. So I'll see you guys back wherever we end up. Bye. Ooh, duckies. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he's out, he's out. Hey guys, so my thumbnail was gonna be a little boring and it was gonna be eating a dandelion. So I decided to step my game up a little bit, and now I have all these dandelions. I have all these dandelions that I'm going to take a bite out of. There's at least like 40, maybe 50 dandelions here. I know it doesn't look like it, but if you look at the stems, there's a whole lot of stems here. And take a bite. It was really terrible earlier. They're so dry and just gross. I don't want to. Here goes nothing. for the vlog. Look, 5 minutes later, and they're still all over me. I bit hard too.
You heard it crunch when you're.
Why do I do this?
Because you do it for the vlog.
Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Peace!